Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. Now, chapter 3 data handling. We'll solve the questions from exercise number 3.3, question number 5 and 6. Question number 5. Consider the data. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? Which sport is most popular? Which is the most preferred watching or participating in sports? So we'll have the solution. What is given here in the questions? Favorite sports. What are the favorite sports here? In the question it is given cricket, basketball, swimming pool, hockey and athletics. So watching prefer more than the participating if you see the graph. So if you see the content here, the numerical values, 1240 prefer to watch, whereas participating is 620, almost 50%. So whereas basketball, watching prefer 470, swimming 510, hockey 430, athletics 250, and this is the data for the participation, that is 320 for the basketball, 320 for the swimming pool, 250 for the hockey and 105 for the athletics. So you will see the solution as well as the graph. The graph here, this is the graph. So here you will find on the x-axis the sports which we have discussed just now, and here it is the number of participants, number of people. So the green one, it shows the watching, and pink one, it's showing the pink graph, it's showing the participating. So if you see, almost it is double. The watching is double than the participating. So you can just, we have plotted the graph according to the data here for the cricket, for the basketball, for the swimming pool, hockey and the athletics. So now what we have infer from this graph. The first one, the figure above is the double bar graph which represent the people who prefer either watching or participating in different sport. By observing the double bar graph, we came to conclude that most of the people like watching and participating the cricket, while least number of people like watching and participating in athletics. Means most will, which one you see from the graph, what we have observed, most one, the maximum number of people prefer to watch the cricket match than the athletics. This is the least, and the most is what, cricket. And participating also, maximum will participate in the cricket than the minimum in the athlete. That is the solution for the first bit. What the second bit answer here? By observing the double bar graph, we came to conclude that the people who like watching and participating in cricket is the tallest among all the bars. So cricket is the most popular sport. So from this graph, which is the tallest, which is having more height? The cricket one. So this is liked by most of the people. Now third solution, by observing the bar graph, double bar graph, we came to conclude that watching sports, it has more preference rather than the participating in sports. So from the graph, it is observed that most of the people, they like to, what they like? They like to watch than the participation. Participation is on pink color showing the participation, and green color shows the watching. Pink is participation, green is watching. So most of the people, they want to watch than the participating in the sports. Hope it is clear to you, children. Question number 6. Take the data given the minimum and the maximum temperature of the various cities given in the beginning of this chapter, table 3.1. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following questions. So in the next slide, you can see the table 3.1. Now, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given data, on the given date? The date is mentioned there. So which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Name the two cities where the maximum and the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. This is the given question, and the graph as well as the table, the data table is also given in the next slide. Now here is the cities: Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Kashmir and Mumbai. So the maximum temperature is 38 degrees centigrade in Ahmedabad and the minimum is 29. Amritsar 37 maximum, minimum 26. Bangalore 28 maximum, minimum 21. Chennai 36, 27. Delhi 28, 38 and 28. Jaipur 39 and 29. Jammu 41 and 36, and Mumbai is 32 and 27. Here is the plot, the graph. So if you plot the graph here, on the x-axis the cities are given and on the y-axis the temperature is given in degrees centigrade. So the green one is showing the maximum temperature and the pink one is showing the minimum temperature. So we have to give the conclusion reading this graph. So which one is having the maximum and which one will be having the minimum? All the questions we have discussed in the previous slide. Now here just see this one, the length of the graph of the maximum temperature as well as the minimum temperature. The description of this graph is shown in the next slide. So the graph how we have plotted, on the x-axis the different cities have taken. That is, first is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad temperature, the maximum is how much? Here 38. So just below the 40. Here two small divisions will be there, that we will take it. So 2 you have to leave it and you have to mark it for 38. And the minimum is 29. So if you have the graph sheet, you will find the small lining. So one line you have to leave it for the 29. Means not exactly 30, the dark one, just below that one you have to plot it for 29. So this is all about the plotting of the graph. Now the description of the graph is given in the next. Solution. Solution of question number 6. By observing the double bar graph, we came to conclude that the Jammu has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on 26th June 2006. By observing the double bar graph, we came to conclude that the Jammu is the hottest city and the Bangalore is the coldest city. By observing the double bar graph, Bangalore and the Jaipur, Bangalore and Ahmedabad, means they have the same temperature difference. For Bangalore, the maximum temperature was 28 degrees centigrade, while the minimum temperature of both Ahmedabad and Jaipur was 29 degrees centigrade. Fourth one, by observing the double bar graph, Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Means the difference between the two temperature, the maximum and the minimum, where you will find the least? You can find it least in the Mumbai. Okay. So this all about the description of the graph and the question which is asked. And this one, the temperature was recorded on 20 June 2006. Hope children, and it's clear to you. Try to study the graph as well as the content. Whatever it is given, the data, try to understand it and plot the graph and write down the conclusion of the graph. Thank you children. See you in the next slide.